If you're thinking about relocating to the Central Texas area and love the idea of golf course living, this home in Wildflower Country Club might be just what you're looking for. Sitting right on hole 6, this property offers over 3/4 of an acre, a luxury backyard oasis, and some amazing features inside. Hi, I'm Andrea Dudick, Realtor and Associate Broker with Vista Real Estate, and today I'll be giving you an exclusive tour of this incredible property. Let's get started. Before we step inside, let's talk about location. This home is in the highly sought after Wildflower Country Club Community here in Temple, Texas. If you love golf community amenities and a peaceful neighborhood setting, this is a fantastic place to call home. Plus, you're close to shopping, dining, and major highways, making it easy to get around Central Texas. Now let's check out the curb appeal. This home does sit on 3 lots, which is nearly 3/4 of an acre, adding to extra space and privacy. Now, one of my favorite features is this koi pond with a built-in water pump and waterfall. At night, this property truly shines thanks to a $25,000 lighting upgrade, which really highlights the property and landscaping. Let's head inside. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice how spacious and inviting this home feels. With over 3,000 square feet of living space, you have 3 bedrooms, two bathrooms, a study, a flex room, and a formal dining space. Plenty of room to fit your lifestyle needs. This kitchen has been recently updated with brand new granite countertops. It also features gas appliances, including a gas stove and even a built-in pet door for your furry friends. This primary suite is a true retreat with so much space and natural lighting. The ensuite bathroom features his and her sinks, a newly tiled tub area, and a separate shower. One of the biggest perks of this home is the solar panel system with 71 panels, which keeps electric bills at an average of just $200 a month, even with the pool and hot tub running. That's a huge benefit, especially in Texas summers. And of course, the true highlight of this home is the backyard. This incredible pool and hot tub are heated, both built in 2020. This backyard was designed for year-round enjoyment. The covered patio has blown insulation underneath, adding extra warmth in the cooler months and a misting system for those hotter Texas months. Plus, you have Wi-Fi controlled fire features, a putting green, and artificial turf for easy maintenance. Whether you're hosting friends or just relaxing after a long day, this space is absolutely perfect. If you're looking for luxury golf course living in Central Texas, this home is incredible. With stunning outdoor features, energy efficiency, and an oversized lot, this home is truly one of a kind. If you would like to schedule a private tour or would like any more information on relocation to Central Texas, you can find all my contact information below. And if you love home tours like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification so that you can stay up to date on all things happening in Central Texas. Till next time.